Helium is currently the second best performing crypto in the top 50 coins by market cap, only behind Terra Luna, up about 30% in the last 7 days, re-entering the $40 price range, chugging higher to about $42 this second. Major, even potentially historic price rally from Helium since attempting to retest the $25 price level just a week ago. We've mentioned in previous technical analysis videos that I've been looking to accumulate below the $30 price level. This has proven to be fruitful if you took that trade and exited here. Of course, this is not financial advice, and of course, we are in it for the long haul, but we're happy to accumulate more HNT at perhaps one of the last opportunities to acquire more below the $30 price level, at least before the split, of course. Let's take a look at the charts in today's video. Hello everybody and welcome back to another video here on the Crypto Compound channel. Today's video we are going to be looking at the charts, a dark chart today. I think I like the dark chart a little bit more than the light chart. However, I still am undecided. Let me know what you guys think down below. Thank you for being here. Please hit the like and subscribe on the way in. We're going to be looking at this daily chart. We're going to be looking at this 4-hour chart. This light 4-hour chart. Let's see. Let's make it black quick. This black 4-hour chart. And we'll also be taking a look at the relative performance here from HNT. As I mentioned in previous videos, I might put a short clip here, but from a strategic standpoint, guys, of course, this is not financial advice. This is just my opinion. However, if you do believe in Helium long-term, if you are mining, if you are going to be a part of this network moving forward and believe in the project, I would highly recommend, or at least this is what I'm doing with my personal money, is I am looking to start now accumulating more HNT. Anything below $30 right now, I am interested in purchasing more of what I mentioned in previous videos when we were down at the $30 and below range just about a week ago. I was accumulating down there. Thought that was a very attractive price level for HNT considering I think we just exited the accumulation range I've highlighted here in this pink or red. So I was accumulating there. It's proven to be fruitful. If you did buy there and were to sell now. However, of course, this is not financial advice. I'm just letting you guys know what I'm doing. I'm not a financial advisor. But if you were to have entered below 30, selling now, that is a beautiful trade. However, here on the Crypto Compound channel, we are in it for the long haul. So we were happy to accumulate down there, but we are holding, of course. As you can see here, up 33% over the last 7 days. Beautiful performance. Back when we were below 30, we were actually at the $50 rank by market cap. If we go up here and we sort by the 7-day percentage, you can see that if we only consider top 50 coin by market caps, we have Terra Luna up 42%. And then the next coin in the top 50 is the beloved HNT, up about 33% at the recording of this video. This is a beautiful setup we have here. As you can see, there's a spring low, back test of the spring. That is textbook for almost all cryptos for a very, very good sign. This is bullish confirmation that this was a local low, and we have since proven that this was a very, very strong move higher. The question is now, where are we going? As you can see, there's really nothing above us. Of course, there's a previous all-time high this wick here at 60, and there is a zone here that I would expect us to have some sort of resistance or even a strong turnaround. Of course, we are going to be looking out for another one of these accumulation zones. I think that level is going to start to form in this structure. I think that we're going to start making turnarounds at certain very critical points that will be very critical throughout 2022 for HNT. Of course, keep in mind, like I've mentioned in previous videos, this 200-day EMA on this daily chart and this demand line right here are also going to be absolutely critical. The day we break either of those is going to be a big day for Helium. This 200-day moving average never having been retested as a resistance yet on the chart. Also, this demand line absolutely critical here on the daily. So these two lines, along with wherever we start to turn around up here, are going to be very interesting moving forward in 2022. I am going to expect a turnaround somewhere. I'm just going to draw a line here around the $46 range. As you can see, there are a lot of daily candle closes right around this range. There are going to be a lot of sellers stepping in right around this $46 range. It's going to be interesting to see. Above that, I would consider the top of this range not really to be 60. I would consider it more around this level, this $51 level. However, there is going to be, I would be very, very surprised if we breeze past $46. I would expect at least a turnaround for a few days at that level. But again, the real question is, where is this pink or red box going to be throughout 2022? Those levels are going to be determined over the next few weeks for HNT. Of course, the backdrop, the mining, the 5G, the persistent new partnerships that are forming are all catalysts for positive news, which drive positive price action. But of course, we are still subject to the broader crypto market. It is going to be very interesting to see how Helium performs. Now, if we go over here to the 4-hour chart, we are starting to develop higher lows, which is very good ever since this wick low down here to the $25 price level. We retested that level, didn't make it quite there, hovered just above it, and we are now making higher lows. This is very good. If we rewind and go back to these areas, we can see that these lows were the beginning of this massive uptrend. Of course, after such a rally like this, I don't know if I would expect such a dramatic increase to even higher levels than what we just experienced. However, I would expect a few more higher lows before we reach this accumulation range. It's going to be very interesting to see how this plays out. Now, guys, we also have to remember perhaps one of the most significant catalysts that's coming up in the coming weeks and months is going to be, we don't know when it will be, but of course, the Coinbase listing is going to be one of the largest positive catalysts for Helium throughout 2022. I would say that and other 5G partnerships, of course, would be super positive catalysts for HNT. But we do know that the Coinbase listing is coming at some point because the Rosetta implementation is basically done in GitHub. So we just are on the lookout for that. That is going to be a big day for Helium. Who knows where that is going to be, where the price will be at that point, but that is probably the next closest huge positive catalyst for Helium. Guys, that is all I have for today's video. Let me know what you're thinking. If you're seeing anything else on the charts, where this accumulation zone might end up. But guys, thank you all for being here. That is all I have for this video. If you have not already, please hit that like and subscribe. It really helps support the channel and I'll really, really appreciate it. But just like that, this video is over and I'll see you next time.